The initial phase of our dry manufacturing process begins in our quarries in the Tournai region. Limestone is extracted here by blasting. The blocks are collected and crushed in successive stages until they reach an approximate size of 10 centimeters. They are stored in a hall before being shipped by train to the Obourg plant. Each train is approximately 400 meters long and can transport nearly 2,200 tons of materials. On arrival at the Obourg cement plant, the limestone is automatically unloaded into a hopper and transported by conveyor belt to the pre-homogenization hall. The hall is filled in a circular manner, and the materials are reclaimed transversely by a scraper. This method makes it possible to obtain better consistency in the chemical composition of the mixture, which comes from the various geological layers of the quarry. The limestone taken from the hall is sent to a dosing unit. In this unit, corrective materials are added, as well as alternative raw materials in order to save on natural resources. Each carefully measured constituent is ground in the vertical roller mill and dried by hot gases recovered from the kiln. At the exit of the mill, we obtain a very fine powder called raw meal. The quality of the raw meal is continuously analyzed in order to obtain the most homogeneous material possible. The raw meal is stored in a specific silo where it is further homogenized. The consistency of the raw meal is essential to obtaining a clinker of unvarying quality. The raw meal is transported to the top of the preheating tower. Here, the temperature is around 300 degrees. The raw meal swirls down against the current of hot gases coming from the kiln, arriving at the bottom of the tower in the pre-calciner at around 900 degrees, where it is decarbonated. With a flame of more than 2000 degrees at the main burner, obtained almost exclusively from alternative fuels, the rotary kiln raises the temperature of the material to 1450 degrees and enables clinkerization. At the kiln exit, we obtain artificial stone called clinker, which is rapidly cooled in a grate cooler. This cross-flow heat exchanger lowers the temperature of the clinker to approximately 100 degrees and heats up the air used for combustion, a process that helps reduce energy consumption. The kiln has a waste heat recovery system. This converts hot gases into electricity. Furthermore, the exhaust gases are processed in facilities equipped with the latest technologies, guaranteeing strict compliance with the most severe emission limits. The clinker produced is stored in silos. In order to become cement, it must next go through the grinding stage. Then gypsum is added, which will act as a setting regulator, along with other natural constituents such as limestone or industrial byproducts such as furnace slag or fly ash. The composition of the cements is very accurate, which makes it possible to obtain products that meet the most demanding standards. The cements are stored in silos, then shipped in bulk by boat or truck to our customers. A small part of the cement produced is sent to our bagging line for packaging. The cements produced in Obourg are used to manufacture concrete that is used for the sustainable construction of tomorrow's infrastructures. Schools, hospitals, housing, bridges and roads, and also industrial and commercial buildings.